I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking turkey tenderloin in an Instant Pot. This turkey tenderloin is frozen. You can cook it straight from frozen if you'd like. See? Frozen solid. And I will cook it in an Instant Pot without having to defrost it. And of course, if you have one that's already defrosted, you can cook it as well. So what we need is turkey tenderloin, water for pressure cooking. This turkey tenderloin is already pre-seasoned, so I don't need seasonings, but if yours is plain, then you would need to season it with anything you'd like, such as salt and pepper. So let's open the Instant Pot. And I'm going to insert the trivet in the Instant Pot. Add 1 cup of water. And now I will open my package of frozen turkey tenderloin. It's pre-seasoned already with the spices, and I will put it on the trivet. Now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 30 minutes on high pressure. Now this time is for frozen turkey tenderloin. If that was already defrosted, the time would be 20 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here's perfectly cooked turkey tenderloin. So let's remove it from the Instant Pot. Perfectly cooked. Let me slice it and see what's inside. So tender, so easy to slice. Look how juicy and moist this turkey is. This is the softest, juiciest turkey you will ever make. Perfect. So easy to cook in the Instant Pot. Now let me try it. So tender, delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.